What it do, YouTube people? It's your boy Rich Eats. I'm out here in Long Beach right now, and what I'm thinking about is not eating pizza today. So what I'm about to go and do is try to find me a chicken spot. I got a little craving for some chicken, so we're gonna go see if we can find something out here. I'm not looking for just the regular spots, maybe like a mom and pop's chicken spot, or I don't know, but not just KFC or nothing like that though. So anyway, let's get out here, see what we can find, people. Let's go. What it do, people? We over here in Long Beach. I found this spot, Gus's Fried Chicken, world's famous. So if they say they're world's famous, I've drove past it a couple of times. I always wanted to try it, but I didn't. So today is the day. Now we're about to go up in here and see exactly what they're talking about. So let's go see what it is, people. All right, people, so we got our stuff, and I won't lie, I had a couple of these fries right here, big fries. As soon as I had one, I couldn't stop eating them. They nice and seasoned. Fire, fire, fire. All right, but people, let's get into the main thing we went there for. Now, for their little fries, it was just a small fry too, and 3 wings. They came up to a total of $13 and some change, plus the tip I gave them, so it's like 15. So, you know, I'm hoping it's worth it. And they gave me some sauce that looked like this. I don't even know what this is. We'll try it out though, people. Let's see if they gave me any hot sauce. Oh, hot sauce. But first, y'all ready to see the chicken, people? Alright. It smells really greasy. And let's see. Was this a better choice than going to Popeyes? Looks like it's cooked pretty good. All right, let's get into this, people. Damn. Wow. My new favorite chicken spot. Fire. It's been up. That place has been there for a long time too. I just was like, I don't want to try it. I heard somebody tell me it was really expensive, so. But if they charging not much for chicken, that's like $3 a wing. I had to stop at McDonald's and get their blue slushy. $2, can't beat that. Plus, yeah, there's one right behind me, so it was real convenient. But yeah, they got like an incredible Cajun spice on it. It's like, it's not too spicy, but it's perfect. See that, people? This is a great break from pizza. Where my fries at? Yeah, they know how to season their stuff. I won't say it's the crunchiest, but it's good. Alright, people, I had to get myself situated a little better. But yeah, they gave me a lot of stuff that I didn't really need. Plates and forks and all kind of stuff. But yeah, as far as this chicken goes, you can see that color, it's incredible. One thing about chicken, it's real greasy. Well, yeah, I never really heard of this spot. It said world famous. Mind you, I've been all over the United States this year alone. When I was doing my hotshot truck driving, if y'all go back to my first videos when I first started pretty much vlogging and stuff, I was doing hotshot trucking. And I've been everywhere. I never seen one of these places anywhere I was at. So I don't know how famous they are around the world, but they just got my attention. I know who they are now. I mean, it's some pretty decent sized wings, you know, not the biggest, but well, you know, they're pretty big. Only other place I know with ginormous wings is Church's, and I don't really like them too much. Look, it's falling apart. It's so soft. Yeah. Oh, see that? Bone just falling out. Falling off the bone. Yeah, it's hard to talk when you're eating good stuff. Oh, I know what it's time for though, people. Let's see what they hot sauce hidden for. Let me see what's this over here. Oh yeah, that's just ketchup. What's the hot sauce? So, bro. Yeah. I don't want to spill this shit on me. Hot sauce will never come out of your clothes. Put that hot sauce on my chicken wing. And let's see. Cheers, people. Nice zingy hot sauce. It's not too much. It's like a perfect. I like it. It's perfect. A little vinegary, but oh no. It is game changing though for the chicken. You know, sometimes you gotta change it up, people. I went for the chicken today. Mind-blowing experience right now. And don't get me wrong, I know like if you watch my videos, excuse me, you'll see me I eat a lot of pizza, but I just do my reviews. But after that, like a normal routine throughout the day, I'm eating, you know, regular foods. But I literally haven't had chicken in a while, so I said today's gonna be the day. All right, people, it's going by fast, and I almost forgot about this right here. I don't even know what this is. I can't assure you I'm gonna eat this, but I'm surely gonna smell it for you. Okay, off top, it smells like mustard and pickles mixed together, which I'm not against either one of those. And I also do like chicken I also like pickles with my chicken, especially sweet pickles. But let's see what this sauce is like. Is it gonna kill the experience or intensify it? Well, let's see, people. A little dab. Nothing really. I don't want to. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Gross. It's like dipping your chicken in pickle relish. I don't need nothing like that. All right, that's it. It was fire. Well worth the money. I was a little skeptical at first because when he said $13.30 for like 3 wings and a small fry, I was like, what? Yeah, fries are almost gone. A couple of those left, but anyway, people, get out there, go try Gus' world famous chicken. I don't know, just Google it, see if it's one by you. I'm not too sure where they're all at, but that's it. It's another review, people. Oh, I almost forgot, people. My rating for this. I'm not used to eating chicken, so I almost forgot my rating. I rate this chicken a 9.5. I'm gonna take y'all to I got a spot that I grew up eating. One day we're gonna go hit that spot up, and that spot is a 9.8. And this is right up there with this, so 9.5 for this chicken. And their regular chicken was kind of spicy, so I can't really imagine what their spicy chicken is like. It's probably crazy. So now that's another review, people. Peace out.